Hello everyone, now we have to discuss the next concept of resonant circuits, that is quality factor. The name itself quality means what? It is provided the information or it is provided the indication of its performance of resonant circuit. Then why we need this quality factor? It is provided the indication of what? Of performance of resonant circuit. That is why we need this quality factor in the system. Then what actually quality factor means? Quality factor is defined as the ratio of peak energy stored in the system to the energy dissipated in one cycle. Means what? It indicates the ratio of peak energy stored in the system to the energy dissipated in one cycle. That is, we can write quality factor which is equals to, we can write in one cycle means what? Indication of what? 2 pi radians into peak energy stored by energy dissipated in one cycle. Clear? That is, from this quality factor is inversely proportional to what? Energy dissipation, right? Energy dissipation. That is, if the energy dissipation is minimum, obviously the quality factor should be maximum. Means the system which is used to store the energy has minimum energy dissipation, means zero dissipation, then only you will have better quality factor. If is equals to 0, which implies what? Quality factor must be, or it should write minimum. Okay, minimum quality factor must be high. This is required, right? This is required, right? If energy dissipation is minimum, quality factor is high. What is the required feature? That is, the we need the quality factor must be high in the system. Okay. What is quality factor indicates? It indicates the performance of the resonant circuit. What is the definition of this quality factor? It is defined as the ratio of that peak energy stored in the system to the energy dissipated in one cycle. This is the formula. If we have minimum energy dissipation, we will have better quality factor. Okay. Then we will discuss quality factor for various systems. Okay. So, first one is simple series or simple element R element, right. So, for this quality factor should be equals to what? 2 pi into peak energy stored, that is 0, by energy dissipated in one cycle, that is, if we consider RMS square into T, right. I square R into T is nothing but power into T is nothing but energy. But coming to peak energy stored, why it is 0? Since is not energy storing element, right? Resistor is not energy storing element, only it can dissipate the power, but it can only dissipates the power. This is the reason why it is 0, since R is not energy storing element, but it can only dissipate the power. Therefore, quality factor for resistive element is nothing but 0, right? This is first one. Then second one, we have R. You are dealing with series resonance circuit, means what? Series combination of R and L. We will have this discussion with respect to parallel resonance circuits. There we have parallel combination of RL, parallel combination of RC, parallel combination of RLC. Okay. See, what is this quality factor for this? 2 pi into peak energy stored by what? Energy dissipated. Peak energy stored means what? We have the element inductance. Obviously, there is a energy. Inductance is nothing but energy storing element, right? From this, quality factor is equals to 2 pi into peak energy stored is nothing but what? See, peak energy, that is why half Li square, right? L into Im square by energy dissipated through R, that is same IRMS square into R into T. Clear? This is the peak energy stored from the inductance. This is the energy dissipation from this resistance. Clear? So, from this, quality factor should be equals to what? 2 pi by, we have T gets common from here to here, we can write half into Im by root 2 whole square, right? You can write like this, into IRMS square into R, right? Can we write like this? So, from this, this is 2 pi by T into L into Im by root 2 means what? IRMS square, right? IRMS square by R, that is it. So, this one gets cancelled. So, from this, quality factor should be equals to 2 pi by T is nothing but what? 2 pi F, right? Into L by R. R means this 2 pi F means what? Omega L by R. Omega L by R, that is, which is equals to XL by R. It is quality factor which is equals to what? Imaginary part of impedance by real part of impedance, right? See, here we have what? Omega L by R, which is equals to XL by R, means what? Imaginary part of impedance, because the circuit is what? Series combination of R and L. Therefore, imaginary part of impedance is nothing but what? R plus J XL, XL only. So, real part of Z, right, which is equals to, we can write now omega R L, because it is assumed as resonant frequency by R, which is equals to XL by R. So, from this we can write quality factor is equals to reactive power by real power, right? From this, see, if you multiply I square into XL from this, If you multiply I square XL by I square R means what? This is what? Q, this is what? P. Is the analysis. I square XL by I square R. So, Q by P, that is Q factor, quality factor is nothing but what? Reactive power by real power. Clear? So, this is one of the important observation. This X and this is one of the observation. This is first one. This is second one. What is the third one? Third important observation is what? XL by R is nothing but what? XL by R is nothing but what? Tan phi, right? Series RL circuit, the phase angle you have to calculate phi is equals to tan inverse XL by R, right? That is phi is equals to tan inverse XL by R. From this, tan phi is nothing but what? XL by R, right? Which is equals to what? Quality factor. So, in terms, quality factor means what? Tan phi only, which is nothing but XL by R, which is equals to omega L by omega R L by. This is the formula for quality factor. Simply, quality factor is nothing but what? XL by R or omega L by R or reactive power by real power or tan phi. That is depends upon the circuit, we can calculate the tan phi, right? XL by R, which is equals to like this. This is the quality factor for R and RL. Third one, series RC circuit, right? So, for this we have, right, this is R, this is C. We all know that quality factor should be equals to what? Reactive power by real power, imaginary part of impedance by real part of impedance, which is equals to what? We can write imaginary part of impedance by real part of impedance. What is the imaginary part of impedance? Which is equals to what? I square into XC, right, by real power is nothing but what? I square into R, which is equals to XC by R, right. What is the imaginary part of Z? XC. Real part of Z? R, which is equals to what? 1 by omega C R. So, the quality factor for RC circuit is what? XC by R, which is equals to 1 by omega C R. That is it. Right. Next, we will discuss fourth important circuit system, that is L and C. This is L, this is that is lossless system. Lossless system means what? Since R is equals to 0. If the system is like this, then overall, or for example, the quality factor for L is QFL, okay. Like that, the quality factor for C is quality factor of C, okay. Then overall quality factor QF is equals to 1 by QFL plus 1 by QFC, okay. Next is series RLC, right? RLC. Next system is what? Series RLC, right? So, here under resonance, the quality factor can be calculated, which is equals to omega. Under resonance means what? Resonant frequency into inductance by R, which is equals to 1 by R C, which is equals to what? X L by R, which is equals to X C by R. Both are equal under resonance. If the frequency which is equals to resonant frequency, this is the quality factor for series RLC circuit. If the frequency less than resonant frequency, that is lagging in nature, for that what is the Q factor? Omega L by R. If the frequency which is more than this resonant frequency, that is the frequency which is less than this omega is nothing but capacitive in nature, that is leading, means 1 by omega C R. Like that, if the frequency which is more than this resonant frequency is nothing but what? Lagging in nature, that is for that region what is the quality factor? Omega L by R, right. So, this is the quality factor under resonance of series RLC circuit. One more important observation, we all know that V L is equals to what? I into X L, right. So, from this V L is what? Which is equals to V by R, X L is what? Omega L, right. So, V L is equals to omega L by R into V, we can write under resonance, right. So, V L is equals to what? Q, this is the resonance, so this is the Q factor of the circuit, right. Next, similarly, V C is equals to what? I X C, which is equals to V C V by R X C, X C by R into V. Therefore, V C is equals to Q into V, right. X C by R is nothing but what? Q only, Q only. X L by R is nothing but Q only. So, from this, what is the observation? Under resonance, the quality factor can be defined as the ratio of voltage across, see from this Q is equals to what? V L by V, V C by V, it can be defined as the ratio of voltage across inductor or capacitor, across inductor or capacitor to the applied voltage. That is, from this Q is equals to what? V L by V, which is equals to V C by V, means therefore, in series RLC circuit, Q factor can be called as voltage magnification, voltage magnification, that is V L equals to what? Q into V, V C is equals to what? Q into V. The voltage across inductor should be equals to what? Q times of applied voltage. Like that, the voltage across capacitor is what? Q times of voltage. That is voltage, this is called as voltage magnification. Next, note point. See, we all know that Q is equals to what? Quality factor is equals to what? Omega naught L by R, right, which is equals to what? omega naught into L by R. What is the value of, sorry, here it is resonant frequency, right? Omega naught or omega R. From this, what is the value of omega R, which is equals to 1 by root L C into L by R, which is equals to what? 1 by R square root of L by C, right? Square root of L by C. So, quality factor is equals to 1 by R L by C. Clear? This is first one. Like that, we all know that quality factor is equals to what? 1 by omega R C R, which is equals to 1 by omega R is nothing but square root of L C by C R, right, which is equals to 1 by R. From this we can get again 1 by R into square root of L by C. From this also, what is the quality factor? 1 by R L by C, right. So, finally, quality factor is equals to omega R into L by R, which is equals to 1 by omega R into R C, which is equals to 1 by R square root of L by C, right, which is equals to V L by V, which is equals to V C by V. That is it. This is the final conclusion. Under resonance, this is under right under, this is the final conclusion from this quality factor, that is omega L by R, where omega R is nothing but what? Resonant frequency, like that 1 by omega R C is equals to 1 by root 1 by R into square root of L by C, which is equals to V L by V, which is equals to V C by V.